अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
Here in the army are many valiant archers, Yuyudan, Virat, and the great martial commander Drupad, who are a worthy match for the brave Arjun and Bhim. And this army of Pandu's sons, the Pandav, is composed of those who can guide souls to the Supreme Spirit, like Bhim, who is an embodiment of resolute sentiment, the image of tender devotion, Arjun, and many other valiant warriors, such as Satyaki, endowed with goodness, Virat, and the great warrior leader Drupad, symbolizing consistency and steadfastness on the path of spirituality, and
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः.
Drishtaketu, Chekitan, and the mighty king of Kashi, as well as Purujit and Kuntiboj and Shaibya, the unparalleled among men, and Drishtaketu, the steadfast in duty, Chekitan, who can rein in his straying thought and concentrate it on the Supreme Spirit, the king of the holy city of Kashi, an emblem of the sacredness that resides within the world of the body, Purujit, the one who obtains victory over matter in all its forms, gross, subtle, and instrumental, Kuntiboj, who conquers worldly life by doing what is worthy of doing, then Shaibya, of virtuous conduct.
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः.
The valorous Yudmanyu, the mighty Utmauj, Sobhadra,